Well, thank you. So in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to talk about the Large Hadron Collider, which is a racetrack that's 16 miles around for billions of protons moving at close to the speed of light. Round and round the track, the protons run, doing 7,352 marathons each second. Two beams of such protons move in opposite directions around the track, and they collide 32 million times per second. Most of the collisions are glancing and do very little. A few of the collisions are head-on and convert energy to mass in a spectacular fashion by making exotic and massive particles that are truly the universe's best-kept secrets, having been hidden for 14 billion years since the Big Bang. These exotic particles actually only last for a trillionth of a second. Then the fireworks from their decay rocket through giant detectors and light up some of their 100 million channels of equipment that's made of silicon, xenon, liquid argon, and lead. The detectors are the strictest of judges. They addition 32 million proton collisions per second, and they select only the 200 most interesting candidates. They record about 30 audio CDs worth of information every minute about those proton collisions, and that's saved for later review by scientists like me.